Kumusta everybody? Mike G Vlogs. I'm just outside at Max's restaurant. Gonna go inside and have some Filipino food. Should be very delicious here in my city of Edmonton. So I'm trying to be a white Filipino eating the Filipino food. Oh yeah, let's go inside and eat and enjoy. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Kumusta? How's everybody doing today? Mike G Vlogs. I'm over here at Max's restaurant. Gonna have some Filipino food I've been craving. So I'm gonna do some bunch of videos. Salamat. So yeah, we're gonna have some Filipino food. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Well, how's everybody doing? I'm back again. I got my food. So we got some garlic rice, some lechon, some pancit, and now I'm gonna eat some food, guys. So good. Wish you were here, but you're not. So I will enjoy it all myself. Some lechon kuali. So good. Well, everybody, this is what I got. Got some pancit, some garlic rice, lechon kuali. Now I'm just eating out here, so I'm gonna keep enjoying this delicious food. Hopefully I have room for dessert. If I don't, oh well. But I'm gonna enjoy it. We'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, I'm done eating my Filipino food. I'm back in my truck, got my take home. Yeah, I couldn't eat it all. You know, they have a lot of food there, you know. Lots of good stuff. So alright guys, I'm gonna probably head home. And yeah, go rest my stomach. I didn't have room for any halo. I wish I did, but I didn't have room. So maybe next time. But salamat everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.